If love is the answer, does the question really matter? Just between the Gurgaon Mehroli Road, there lies a tomb which stands as a space of passion, sacrifice, and unknown madness of love. You know, the kind of love that you only read in crankle pages of an old history book. About, say, in the 16th century of the Mughal court, there was a poet named Jamali who is buried next to Kamali, of whom history refers to as identity unknown. Nobody knows who Kamali really was, but they're still buried together. Was he alive? Was he dead? Was he a man? Was he a woman? Based on oral traditions, some believe that Kamali was Jamali's homosexual lover, and others believe that he never really existed. It was Jamali's hallucination. I think since we've launched the brand, we haven't really given menswear its due. Time and again, I feel we've treated it like the stepchild, which is in the background. So when we're making women's wear, we'll do something to complement the whole teaming up of the look for an event or something. But when I heard the story of Jamali Kamali, it was something that inspired me so much that I felt I had to stop everything else that I was doing and just focus on this. It just felt like that I'm adding two pieces of a puzzle, and this was made for my first menswear official launch. You know, we were thinking about toying with the idea of probably shooting this in a real forest or going to the same space as the Jamali Kamali tomb, but it was all becoming too literal. Then we started envisioning, like when Jamali talks about Kamali, he paints this beautiful visual in your mind with his words. He'll talk about these gardens of love, he'll talk about the night sky, he'll talk about a tomb, he'll talk about white peacocks, he'll talk about these birds that he sees. He's almost painting his mind for you when he's talking about Kamali, and just that thought got stuck in my mind. So why don't we paint the world that Jamali envisions? It's his own world. It's a feeling almost that can't be explained. It's surreal, it's magical. What I wanted to do in this campaign was show you the world through Jamali's eyes, how he envisions the world, how he understands Kamali's love, how he understands his soul. So it kind of became really special for me, because we were like picking up these little pieces and almost treating the entire world as a canvas, and we were painting whatever we wanted. We kind of drafted these mega scale sets where we were painting the whole world around us. So here we are, and I hope people get to discover the madness of Jamali, which kind of translated into us becoming mad when we were doing this. And I hope, you know, the magic continues.